Hello, assalamualaikum guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Still you do not like and subscribe my How to Learn, so first go and like and subscribe my channel. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting thing, that how we can make, this is for mostly for the YouTubers, that how we can make the circles on the video, how we can highlight by the circles and the squares, how we can make the arrow, how we can draw. So you have to install this app. I have already installed quick screen draw, screenshot and screen recorder. Okay, so you have to install this. I am going to open this. So start screen recorder, you can use start floating service, you can use. Okay, here are the many things which you can use. I am going to show you this. Okay, so we have started this. So what we have to do, we have to only click here. Okay, after that you can use anything else. If you want to 20 size is a 2021 is a fine size. Okay, pick, then take any color. I am taking red color. Okay, after that close from here, then you can draw in this way. Okay, in this way you can draw this easily. If you want to delete, so you can delete this. So this is very fantastic to use. If you want to show is, you can use. Okay, so this is very fantastic app to use. Then go to again, then close. And if you want to take pencil, you can take the pencil as well. Okay, if you want to change the color, you can change color, then close from here, then easily you can use the pencil. Okay guys, if you want to record, a screen, you can record it from here. So if you want to take picture, you can take picture as well. Whatever you want to do, you can do by here. So this is very fantastic to use. Okay, you can see by here. In this way you can use here. Okay, and one more thing is that if you want to write the alphabets, so you can also write hello, this is my channel. So in this way you can write it as well. You can do the done, and then you can size in and size out as well. Okay, so if you want to delete, so you can delete. If you want to remove, you can remove. So this is very fantastic to use. So still you do not like and subscribe, so first go and like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting any update, and you can use the further thing. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.